Monday, November 15th. It's about 5:30 p.m. my time. Doing a little update here on Bitcoin. This is the BTC Bitcoin FTX chart. Talked about in the previous video how I was looking for it to, potentially find some support here at the bottom of this range. Bounce up, potentially back up to that 64.9 again before rolling down. But we probably ended up trapping quite a few breakout buyers here, and so. But since then we've pushed down into this lower zone here. I did decide to actually try and buy this dip down here. Not heavily. I'm only willing to do one position here, so just risking one BSV. I bought 62,680 is what I ended up getting, so just right here. So a bit of a knife catch here potentially, but I like the way that the chart look. So let's look at like Binance, for example. So just getting down into the lower, the lower area here, the lower end of this range here, the lower value area low down here. Looking for it to, if it does hold up and does end up bouncing higher, target will be that 64.9 that I've been targeting, roughly that 64.9 area. So kind of doing what I wanted it to do before it broke, but doing it from a lower level, something like that. So that's what I'd like to see. I mean, but again, I mean, I'm only buying one. I'm only doing one entry here instead of two or three. So just grabbing one and see if we can find its way up. But if not, have that one BSV risk on the table. If we do end up bouncing, I may actually turn and look to short it from 64.9 again, and maybe Bitcoin just continues to go sideways for a while. I don't know, but either way, I bought that spot right there, and we'll see how it plays out. So I'll actually just pause it for now. Okay, now 5:16. The market decided to take a nice little break, a little dump there, run a bunch of stops. It did obviously got me out on my BTC long for the one BSV loss. So just I knew it was a little bit riskier attempt trying to grab that, but I thought it was worth the risk. I did decide to actually grab some BSV USD on the dip. I do have a total of 3 BSV risk on the long side with that trade. I've been holding this BSV BTC for a long time as kind of just in case something was to happen during the trial times with the court case going on. But I figured I'd take the opportunity to add the BSV USD as well on this break. So this is the daily chart. 172 is support, or it should be support. What I'd like to see actually is this to snap back and close back above that 172, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day we so snaps back up, and then tomorrow or the next day we can find our way up. So that would be nice. Not sure if it'll play out that way, but I got the position on, got my risk predetermined, and seeing if I can catch a runner there. But yeah, for now, nothing to do on the other markets. Gotta let it chop around here and let it try to establish a new value area down here somewhere, and see if we can find an extreme on the long side or the short side to take advantage of. So, but for now, that was it. So took an attempt on BTC, which I got stopped out of, and then took a BSV USD long on the break. So that is it for now. Probably won't be doing anything actually probably the rest of the night unless it wants to. Yeah, probably won't. If it does want to keep going lower, I may try to, pick up an extreme, with some small size, one position probably only, but I don't know. More than likely won't do anything, but hopefully this BSV ends up snapping back up above that 172 and making its way back up. So that is it.